Full stack web development. The overview. Should know the full stack web development. You should know the web essential and the web application development of the software. So you should know the full stack development of the process. You can develop a web application as developing the website creations, and you can use it for commercial application like that software development of the process. The course objective of the process is understanding the component of the full stack. You should know the different type of stack of the process developed by the application. The Node.js is a features and applications. Developing the application using MongoDB and different stack like Angular, Expression, Express and web applications. Web application using React. The course outcome of this understanding the various stack available by the stack application of the development using Node.js for application development. Developing using MongoDB is an non-SQL method, and also features of Angular and Express. So unit 1. So basics of full stack. You should understand the basics of full stack. What is web server, what is web client, and what is web browsers like. You should develop the framework in the stack. The web server is a front end, back end of the process of MVC, multi-view controller by understanding the stack of the process. Rolling and expressions, Angular, Node, and MongoDB of the React. So the Node.js is a JavaScript related, is the intermediate of the software. You can use it for Node package manager for creating the simple Node.js application using this event. For timer and callback handling data I/O and implementing HTTP protocol service using Node.js. No, MongoDB is another one of the stack which is used in the backend of the server side of the programming development of the application. It is a non-SQL statement. You can use this as a notation like JSON. So it's built like a MongoDB's environmental user count, access control, and administrator database managing collections, connection to the MongoDB of Node.js, and simple application of the development of the process using MongoDB. So it's a one type of database. It is a open source database of the process. Next, the Express and Angular. We are implementing the Express and Node.js in the server side of the program for request and response of the user access, and Angular type scripting. So Angular is a component which measures the expressions, data binding and binding directories. And next one is a React. React is a Marin which is MongoDB, Express, React and Node.js of the stack. For reacting the applications is component. The Express of this React modularity of the web packages. You can learn about the routing of the React routers server side of the program. So these are the application development of the stack. We are using MongoDB, Express, React and Angular for full stack web development of the framework, for the front end framework as well as back end framework. Thank you.